In the heart of Earth's deepest forests, unexplored oceans, and hidden caves, lie creatures so elusive and mysterious that they have evaded human discovery for centuries. Step into a world where the known borders on the unknown, and the natural world is teeming with secrets waiting to be unveiled. Our journey begins in the dense and shadowy rainforests of the Amazon, where the thick canopy filters the sunlight, casting an ethereal glow on the forest floor. Here, among the tangled vines and ancient trees, we encounter the luminous serpens, a serpent-like creature with bioluminescent scales that shimmer with iridescent hues in the dim light. Its skin, when examined closely, reveals intricate patterns that seem to pulse with a life of their own, and its eyes, large and reflective, hint at an intelligence that lies just beyond human understanding. Next, we dive into the depths of the Pacific Ocean, where sunlight fades and darkness reigns. Amidst the labyrinth of coral reefs and underwater caverns, we discover the aqua draconis, a majestic sea dragon with translucent wings that glide effortlessly through the water. Its scales, delicate and glass-like, refract light into a dazzling display of colors, and its graceful movements leave trails of bioluminescence in its wake. Close-up shots of its wings show the astoundingly detailed veins running through them, resembling celestial maps. In the desolate and echoing confines of a hidden cave system in the Carpathian Mountains, we stumble upon the Etherabat, a nocturnal creature with wings that resemble fine, woven silk. Its fur is a deep, velvety black, absorbing nearly all light, making it seem like a living shadow. The Etherabat's eyes, however, are a striking contrast, large and luminous. They pierce through the darkness, scanning its surroundings with a keen awareness. Observing it interact within its habitat, we witness a ballet of silent flight and delicate maneuvers, seamlessly blending into the cavernous environment. Each of these undiscovered species showcases unique adaptations that make them masters of their hidden domains. From the glowing scales of the luminous serpens to the translucent wings of aqua draconis, and the shadow-like presence of the Etherabat, these creatures embody the limitless wonders of nature. Through this journey, we not only uncover the mysteries that lie within the unexplored corners of our planet, but also ignite a sense of awe and curiosity about the natural world that continues to inspire and challenge our understanding.